Threat of coronavirus still looming large over plane makers, but some plane makers are bullish about demand ahead as well. Plane maker Embraer has published its 20-year market outlook for commercial aircraft deliveries through 2040. While effects of global pandemic, they have impacted global traffic recovery and measured in revenue passengers kilometer. Its Embraer forecast to grow 3.3% annually to 2040. Worldwide revenue passenger kilometers volume of 2019, it's expected to return in 24. Market outlook is based on trends that will influence demand for air travel and deliveries of new jet and turboprop aircraft up to 150 seats over next 2 decades. Brazilian plane maker Embraer is on pace to deliver nearly 150 aircraft this year. So far, it has delivered 86 aircraft in 2021.
In the next 20 years, we see a gradual recovery of the market, but overall we expect to end up 20% lower than we saw before the crisis. From an Embraer perspective, what we typically see post-crisis is that airlines are more risk averse. They need to rebuild the networks. They need to look at profitability, and that's where exactly our aircraft are always playing a very strong role. You saw it already during the pandemic, where the E-jets were the first to take the lead in the recovery. We saw many new customers taking on board used aircraft and started operations during the pandemic. We saw orders coming in this year for both the E1 and for the E2.
WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.